YouTube 101 Success HD Video Trainings. Video 3 Guide to Creating Profitable YouTube Ads. Why YouTube ads? Did you know that people watch 5 billion videos on YouTube every day? In fact, 300 hours of videos are uploaded to YouTube every minute. Videos should become a critical piece of the marketing puzzle because of how much video content your audience is consuming. But with many other companies knowing this, it's becoming harder and harder to stand out amongst your competition. Therefore, advertising spend needs to be allocated to services like YouTube in order to gain visibility from your target audience. Although like paid search spend, the world of YouTube advertising can seem a bit overwhelming and complicated to navigate at first. In this video, we discuss 6 tips to help you spend your YouTube ad budget in a smart way to gain attention from the people that matter the most, your future customers. Number 1. Select your YouTube ad format wisely. There are many different ad formats available. Experiment with a few ad formats and compare performance. Make sure to follow the space outlines by Google to ensure the dimensions and quality match up. It can be worthwhile to invest in market research to understand the ad format that will help you reach your business goals. 2. Segment in-stream and discovery ads into different campaigns. Like how you should be separating your Google AdWords campaigns into search versus display network, you should be doing the same thing with your video ads. Why? In-stream ads and discovery ads, previously known as in-display ads, are very distinct from one another. Because of these differences, you should have a different budget and strategy, which is easier to control on a campaign level. 3. Take advantage of YouTube targeting options. Just as you should when advertising on Facebook, Twitter, or Google, you need to pay close attention to the audience that's consuming your message. YouTube allows great flexibility to take control over who sees your ads. Starting with demographic targeting, you can then layer on affinity audiences to target people interested in a certain topic, custom affinity audiences, and in-market audiences. This is where you can set targeting preferences for your ads. Number 4. Set up video remarketing. Remarketing is by far the most effective targeting method, in my opinion, because you have the security of knowing this audience has already expressed interest in your company by visiting your website. The great thing about remarketing is it's relatively easy to set up, and once configured, there isn't much you need to do aside from tracking the effectiveness. Number 5. Create compelling human content that feels native. With so much video content on the internet and the options to skip over and X out of most YouTube advertisements, it's important to focus on producing high-quality video content. Including people and making a relatable experience that feels natural and native is what you should aim for. 6. Drive action by adding interactive elements to your site. Whether your business model is B2B or B2C, you have some goal in mind that has led you to advertise, so why not capitalize on these features to drive action? Having a great ad is one thing, but getting tangible results and new business from that ad is another. So explore these actionable features to reach your video ad goals faster. In sum, follow these 6 tips for better YouTube ads. Choose the right format based on your goal. Segment in-stream and discovery ads into separate campaigns. Use advanced YouTube targeting options. Set up video remarketing campaign. Create compelling, emotional video ads that tell stories. Drive action with interactive links in your videos. And don't forget to measure your success. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson.